Hello, dear students. Hope you're fine and well. This is exercise 6A about algebra. Uh, in algebra, we'll be learning about the simplification of the algebraic expression. So, let's see now for question number 5, which says that the simplify each of the following expressions. So, these are expressions. Why these are expressions? Because they are not having any equal sign and there is some other terms after that. If there is equal sign and there are some terms after that, this makes an equation. So right now this is an equation, this is an expression, so we have to simplify it. So let's write down the first question, which says that we have to simplify, which is of 5x plus 22 um, minus 6x minus 23. So now we need to know that we have to arrange the like terms, because like terms will be added or subtracted in algebra. Because this is a 5x, 5x cannot be added or subtracted with 22 because these are two different terms. This is x terms and this is a pure number. So in algebra or somehow in other terms, we cannot add the different terms or different items. We will be looking for the adding of the same item, like 22 cars cannot be added with 5 trucks. So these are the two different things, so that's why we can't add them. But we can add only the like terms. So that's why we have to look for the like terms in this example. So do you see that any another term which is containing x here? Yes, this is the term which is of minus 6x. So we have to collect them, arrange them along the sign. So we are arranging like terms. So we say that arrange like terms first. So we are going to arrange the like terms, which is of 5x, and then the next term is minus 6x, and then we'll be looking for the another one, which is a number plus 22. So do we see another number? Yes, there is negative 23. So we'll be arranging these numbers now. So we're writing plus 22 and minus 23. So after that, we have to look for the now like terms, which is of 5x minus 6x. So we see that these are different signs, so we have to subtract. So what we'll do, we'll subtract from the bigger to the smaller. So 6x minus 5x is 1x, but we keep the bigger number sign, so that's why negative 1x. And now here in the next one is again the different sign, so we'll be subtracting. So bigger subtract smaller, so it gives us 23 minus 22, which is of 1, but we keep the bigger number sign, so that's why we are writing negative 1. So negative 1x, negative 1, and we know that whenever there is a variable with having 1 as a coefficient, so we don't write it, so we'll just write negative x, negative 1. So this is an answer of the question part A. Now, if we'll be looking for the question of part C, let's see now. Question part C says that 6xy plus 13x negative 2yx minus 5x. So here is one different thing which is different from the previous question, is that there is a term with x and y, which is like that xy term, but there is another term which is along with the sign of minus 2, but there is yx. So we have to remember that whenever we have two terms of the same variable, so we can rearrange them in alphabetical order and they are the same. For example, this is xy and this is yx, so they are the same. So we have to remember that whenever we have different terms, like this is actually about multiplication, like 2 times 3 is equal 3 times 2. So the same happens that whereas x times y can also be written as y times x. So they both are the same. So it means they are actually the like term. So we'll be doing what? We'll be rearranging the second term, which is of yx, into the form of xy. So now we are rewriting with the rearrangement of the variable, which is of 6xy plus 13x negative 2, and now we are writing it as xy minus 5. So now we have to arrange like terms. Now we know that the like terms are there in the form of xy and xy. So we'll be arranging these like terms now. So we'll say that okay, 6xy, and then there is the similar to plus 6xy is negative 2xy. So I'll be writing negative 2xy, and then there is 13x, and then it is 5x. This is actually 5x, so we have to write it as 5x. So now plus 13x negative 5x, because now these are two also the like terms of x, which is like that one, x term and x term. So we are arranging this term as well. Now because these are the like terms, so we can solve them, and we see that there are different signs, so we'll subtract. So 6xy minus 2xy is 4xy, and plus 13x minus 5x is 7x. So 8x, which is, and we keep the bigger number sign, which is a plus, and bigger number sign, this is a plus, and in the beginning we don't write plus sign, and that is your answer. Now if we'll be coming to the question number D part, I'm repeating this question here in the following to let you see that how we'll be solving this question now. So we are going to solve this question here. Let me paste this question. In this question again we see that there are different variables. One is the variable x, one is the variable y, and one is the variable z. So different variable, x variable and then y variable term along with the sign, and then the z variable term. So we'll be looking for the like terms of x variable. So is there another x variable? Yes, that is about x variable. Do we have the same y variable? Yes, there is plus 25y, so that is the same y variable. So we are writing this y variable here. And then we'll be looking for the z variable. Do we have the z variable? Like that one? Yes, there is z variable. So now we'll be arranging the like terms. So arrange again like terms. So the like terms of 6x is negative 8x. So we are writing negative 8x. And then plus minus 20y, it's a y terms. So we'll be looking for another like terms of negative 20y, which is of plus 25y. So we are writing this plus 25y. And then plus 7z, and this like term of plus 7z is negative 11z. Yes, this is negative 11z. Now we'll be arranging the like terms. So this is, we arrange the like terms now, and now we are simplifying the terms which are the like terms. So we see that a different sign, so different sign means subtracted. So 8 minus 6 is 2x, but we keep the bigger number sign, so this is minus 2x. Similarly, the other two terms are the like terms, so different sign means subtracted. So 25 minus 20 is 5y. So 5y, but we keep the bigger number sign, so plus 5y. And similarly, in the last two terms, which are also the like term, and we need to solve them, simplify them. A different sign means subtract, so 11 minus 7 is 4z, but we keep the bigger number sign, so this is negative 4z. And now we cannot add a subtract further because this is a variable x, this is a variable y, and this is z. So different variables cannot be added or subtracted, so this is your final answer after simplification. So like this, I would advise you to please try to solve B part. This is your homework, and try to find the solution of this and do share your answer with me. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.